guys, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a cute little RIC RAC trim to the Everyday Chic dress. I had this little RIC RAC that I picked up from a car boot sale for only 50p, and the pink matched the Christmas fabric that I was using. So I'm just going to show you how to add that. So this is the fabric that I am using to make my Christmas Everyday Chic dress, and as you can see, I love how this sort of picks up the trim. So if you haven't already, you can check out my sew along for the Everyday Chic dress, and I'll put the link over there. But this is the stage at which you add your RIC RAC, the stage at which you've sewn your pocket lining piece onto your front pocket piece. So this is what it looks like. It's been pressed, and you're basically just going to pin your RIC RAC along the edge, just like so. This is one of the few times that I use pins when I'm putting trims to make sure that they don't move. And then you're just simply going to take it onto your sewing machine. You can either put it on a zigzag if you want, or you just sort of sew along here, but I'll show you how to do that. But I think that that's just going to look absolutely... So at the sewing machine, you're basically going to try and make sure you line up your needle with that middle point, because if you sew a straight line right along here, you sort of get it to stick down nicely. So that's all you got to do. You just have to line it up. You can use your pins, or if you struggle with using pins, hand baste it, right? And then you can have the flexibility to use your sewing machine, and then you can take your time. Maybe if you wanted to go along the edges. I've done this before. I honestly think that there's no difference between doing it like that and just doing a straight line through, because this is like a polyester fabric and it's quite stiff. It doesn't curl up or anything. So in other things that I've used with the RIC RAC, I found that just doing the straight line down the middle keeps it nice and flat anyway. So there you go. Just take your time. Just hold it down. And if you need to shift your presser foot a little bit, go ahead and do that. But if you take your time with it, you get there. This is another reason why I don't like pins. Look what I just did to myself. They poke through. I prefer using wonder clips for the most part. Anyway, so here we go. That's the RIC RAC trim stitched on to the pocket front. Quick, easy, and simple. And I've just used what I already had in my trim box. I did consider trying to go and find a RIC RAC that's similar in color to this, but you know what? I'm a big fan of working with what you already have. And this is a vintage trim that has been sitting around for years and it's been used up. And there we have it, guys. That's what that looks like. And now you can carry on with the rest of the project exactly as is, but you've added some cute little RIC RACs. Now, isn't that lovely? RIC RAC trim on your pockets. Done. Happy sewing, everyone. And here we go, ladies and gents. There is our Everyday Chic dress, my Christmas dress with the... I also have a tutorial on how to add the little RIC RAC trim against the pockets. I skipped the shirring on this one because this is a lightweight cotton poplin and I just didn't want to put any shirring on it.